All trimmer-equipped models must have the trimmer installed before first use, even if the trimming function won't be used right away. Open the trimmer accessory pack and verify all parts are included. Ensure the GOAT is powered off before installation. Position the GOAT upright with its front facing upward. Align the trimmer with the slot on the left side of the machine and insert firmly until it reaches the limit. Secure the trimmer using the provided screws. The package includes 2 screws for fixation. An additional screw is pre-installed inside the trimmer module. Refer to the label for its location and fastening method. It is recommended to use a screwdriver longer than 10 centimeters for installation. Align the brush with the slot and push firmly inward until you hear a click, indicating successful installation.